Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone. Welcome once again to our daily doctrinal Bible study through the YouTube of the Balbido Evangelistic Ministry. We are still on the study of the rapture of the church. The question is, what signs will precede the rapture of the church? There are no signs preceding the rapture of the church, but there are signs preceding the second advent of Christ. If world conditions during the church age seem to parallel biblical descriptions of the tribulation, this does not indicate that the rapture is near. Throughout the church age, the doctrine of the imminency of the rapture holds true. James 5:8, Revelation 22:7, 12, and 20. Church age believers are mandated to avail of this age, otherwise called the age of equal privileges and equal opportunities, to have a positive impact to the world as he advances spiritually, rather than be concerned of any sign or signs prior to the rapture event.